Good morning, students. Today I'm going to discuss two methods in Python pandas that is related to the data frame. The first one you can see here, set index value. Second one is reset index value. So let's go. We will see one by one. The first one is called set index function. So what is the use of set index function? Set index function is used to make a column as an index. You can see here, this is a column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6, column 7. I have created one data frame. Name of this data frame is new df, and in this data frame there are two rows 0 1, and columns are Bikku, Ritu, Ajay, Pankaj, Rita, Mayank, Himesh. So suppose if you want to make index row index of this column, means in the place of this 0 1 you want Mikku 67 34 like this, or in this place of 0 1 you want to make Ajay 25 67. So means any column you want to make a index of the data frame. So for this we have to use set index method. So look how we will do this one. So I have a created data frame, that is new df. You can see here, this is a new df data frame. So I want to make this Miku as a column. So what we have to do, just use the object of data frame or the data frame which you have created, new df dot use set index. Set index all will be in lowercase. Then what you have to do, which column you want to make. So I want Miku, Minku, Miku. Okay, Miku I want to set as an index, and here you have to use in place इक्वल टू एक मेथड है जो कि एक बताता है कि प्लेस इसको रिप्लेस कर दे. तो यहाँ पर आप ट्रू लिखेंगे. ट्रू जो लिखेंगे वह अब क्या करेंगे, कैपिटल में टी होगा. नाउ प्रेस दिस वन. नाउ दिस इज एग्जीक्यूटेड. सो नाउ व्हेन वी प्रिंट दिस न्यू df it will display like this. What is this? So previously the index is 0 1. Now the row index you can see here, Miku 67 34, means what actually I did, I made this column as an index. So this is the use of set index function or set index method in Python pandas for data frame. Now once again I'm going to repeat, if you want to make any column as an index, row index, so for that there is a function in a data frame. That function is called set index, and by using this one we can make any column as an index. Now I'm going to discuss the second one. Suppose after just declaring this one you thought no previous one was okay. So previous one जैसे हम लोग control Z करते थे, if you want to do like this, so what we have to do, again data frame dot use reset. Just opposite you can say undo, redo, we all have used in word processor. The same way reset index, and here in place equal to, simply you have to write true. Now you can see, and when we print this new df you can see. So I hope these two methods, I hope this the concept of set index method and reset index method are clear to everyone. If you have any doubt you can ask to me or you can write in a chat box. Remember, if all the concepts are okay, if all the concepts are clear to you people, please you write there in comment box, yes sir, I have no questions, I have questions for this, please explain this one, so that I will see who has watched this video. So thank you very much for this. So in next video I will discuss how we can create a row.